Hello everyone, what's up guys? And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create the professional YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Now, you don't need any professional software and you don't need any professional editing skills to create your YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I'm gonna show you a method that can change the way you create your YouTube thumbnails. So now, without wasting time, let's get into it. These are some of the YouTube thumbnails I have created absolutely free. So you can also create these type of YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google browser, type Canva and press enter. So now Canva is basically an online template editor app for creating social media graphics and presentations. So now you can just click on this Canva Visual Suite for everyone. So if you are not logged into the Canva, you can first log in to your Canva account. You can see that there are a lot of options available here. Uh, there are YouTube thumbnails there are YouTube thumbnails. Obviously, you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So there are other options also available here. If you create a document, if you create want to create an Instagram post, and if you create want to create a presentation or mobile video, etc. So now we need to create a YouTube thumbnail, so I will click on this YouTube thumbnail. So now you can see that there are a lot of thumbnails already available here. So now what we need is there are tags available. You can choose or click any of the tags if you want. So now I need to create a thumbnail, so I will click on this thumbnail and YouTube thumbnail icon. So here you can see there are a lot of options available for me, so I can choose any one of them. But keep in mind that there are some of the YouTube thumbnails which requires a premium account, so we will not choose those one. Instead, we will choose those one which are free. So now you can see there are a lot of options available here. This one is premium, so we will not choose this one. So I guess this one is free, so we will choose this one. Yeah, amazing. This is very good. So we will choose this one. So it's already created. You just need to enter some of the text if you want. Otherwise, it's a very good thumbnail because I'm going to create a video how to create a thumbnails for YouTube videos. So this is a very good fit for me. So this is a very nice YouTube thumbnail. So I'm gonna create a video which titled something like how to create a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So I will go with this one. I will just change this thing. I will probably. So here we go. This is very nice. Create thumbnail for free YouTube channel. Create thumbnail. That's it. It's very good. So we will be going with this one. So now what you need to do is you just need to click on this share icon, and here you can see there is a icon available for the download. Just click on this download icon, and it's it says that this is the size of the thumbnail picture. So I'm okay with it, so I will click on this download. So here when you click on this one, it shows that there are some of the premium content. So when you click on this one, you can see a download free watermark draft. So here you can see that I have downloaded. So yes, it has been downloaded. So now if you see, so here you can see that this is the thumbnail we have downloaded now. So that's all for today's guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and press the bell icon and subscribe to this channel for more videos like these. See you soon in the next video.